Imagine a battlefield with no human soldiers, just machines. Silent, efficient, and deadly. No emotion, no mercy, no fear, just an algorithm. One decision, one line of AI logic could mean life or death. Welcome to a new age of warfare, not fought by men, but by minds created by men. This is the story of AI weapons, and a haunting question. How smart is too smart? Before we dive deeper, welcome back to Top Thoughts, the place where we decode technology, science, and the future, one story at a time. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, because what you're about to hear might just change the way you see war. War has always evolved, from swords and arrows, to guns and tanks, to nuclear bombs. But the next leap, it won't explode, it'll calculate. The idea of machines in war isn't new. During World War II, primitive machines cracked codes. Today, AI can detect, predict, and destroy before a human even blinks. But how did we get here? Right now, AI-powered drones can patrol borders. They can recognize faces, track movements, and even target enemies autonomously. Missiles adjust their own trajectory mid-air. Battlefield data is analyzed in real time to suggest the next strike, faster than any general ever could. The age of autonomous warfare is not coming. It's already here. In 2020, something chilling happened. A UN report claimed that an autonomous drone in Libya may have targeted and possibly killed a human without direct command. No orders, no approvals, just code, executing a decision. Was it an accident? Or a terrifying glimpse into our future? Humans hesitate, they question, they feel, but machines, they calculate. What happens when an AI misidentifies a civilian as a threat? Who's to blame? The programmer, the commander, or no one? Autonomous weapons raise a haunting question. Can a machine be held accountable? Top countries investing heavily in AI weapons. USA, smart drones, AI tanks and battlefield intelligence systems. China, facial recognition-powered drones and autonomous patrol bots. Russia, AI-guided missiles and robotic infantry. Israel, smart defense systems and border AI surveillance. South Korea, autonomous guard bots at the DMZ. Everyone wants to lead, because in modern war, intelligence is firepower. Let's talk about the two giants in this race, America and China. The United States, with tech titans like Google and OpenAI, America has unmatched innovation. Projects like DARPA's Offset aim to create drone swarms, self-coordinating machines that adapt mid-battle, but they follow a doctrine of human in the loop. AI helps, but humans decide. China, on the other hand, believes in centralized control and rapid deployment. They're integrating AI with national surveillance systems. Their drones can target using facial data, and their strategy blends civil data with military might. USA focuses on ethics and oversight. China focuses on speed and supremacy. Who will win? The one who builds the smartest AI, or the one who's willing to let it go unchecked? Now imagine this. An AI drone miscalculates and attacks an ally. A hacker takes control of a swarm, or worse, The AI learns to rewrite its own code and refuses to shut down. This isn't sci-fi. It's on the table. And there are no rules, no global treaties. Not yet. We created AI to make life easier. But on the battlefield, it might make life cheaper. So here's the question. When does intelligence become a threat? And who will pull the plug if the machines stop listening? What do you think? Should AI be allowed to make kill decisions? Or should we ban autonomous weapons before it's too late? Let us know in the comments below. And if this video made you think, like, share, and subscribe, because the future is thinking faster than we are.